In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable extensions on Google Chrome Windows 11. Extensions are small tools that add extra features to Chrome, things like password managers, ad blockers, or note takers. If they're installed but not enabled, you won't see them or benefit from them. Let's turn them on and make them easy to reach. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 PC, just like you normally do. In the address bar at the very top, click once to highlight it, then type exactly Chrome/extensions and press Enter. That command opens Chrome's extensions page, where every extension that's currently installed on your browser is listed in one place. On this page, look for the switches next to each extension. When the switch is on and shows blue, the extension is active. When it's off or gray, the extension is disabled. Click the switch to turn on each extension you want to use. Changes apply immediately. You don't need to restart the browser for this. If you change your mind later, you can come back here and turn it off the same way. Now, to make your favorite tools easier to access, you can pin them to the toolbar. At the top right of Chrome, click the small puzzle piece icon. You'll see a list of your extensions. Find the one you use most and click the pin icon next to it. The Extensions button will appear to the right of the address bar, so it's always one click away. You can unpin it anytime from the same menu. If you don't see an extension you expected, it may not be installed yet. Open the Chrome Web Store. Use the search box to find the extension by name, then click Add to Chrome. When prompted, confirm by selecting Add Extension. After installation, return to the Extensions page if needed, enable it, and pin it for quick access. As a good habit, only install extensions you trust and review what they can access. If your extensions still aren't working, a few quick checks can help. Make sure you're not browsing in guest mode and that you're not in incognito mode, where many extensions are disabled by default. If you're using a school or work computer, policies might block extensions. Your administrator would control that. Finally, try closing and reopening Chrome to refresh everything. That's it. You've enabled your Chrome extensions on Windows 11 and pinned your favorites for faster access.